Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will discuss about a paragraph that is the peacock. But before starting this video, I request everyone to subscribe my channel, press on the bell button and don't forget to like, comment and share. So let's start. The peacock is the national bird of India. It is beautiful. It is a beautiful bird. It has two legs. They eat food, grain, snacks and insects. The peacock looks very beautiful for the beautiful coloring feathers in its body. The neck is covered with blue feathers and it helps to increase its gracefulness. It has a tail. Its tail looks colorful. It is a big bird. When in rain, the peacock becomes very happy. They spread their tails then. It is a lovely sight.